Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of God, and also that hopefully that all of you have done very well in the exam. So again, we will start our new journey. So today we are going to start the lesson 4, that is a carbon and its compounds. So first of all, when we say carbon, its symbol stands C. Its atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12. So in fact, the moment we get up and till we go to sleep, innumerable things we use in our daily life, like the toothpaste, brush, thereafter we go for brushing, after brushing we go for bathing. There we made use of tap, shower. Thereafter we take breakfast, run the fan, run the AC, we run the cooler, make use of bulb. So use of soap, shampoo, oil. So number of things, cooking utensils, a number of things we use. We depend on a number of things. Now, all these substances, from where do we get? Basically, these substances, the occurrence of these substances are either from the plants and animals, or from the rocks and minerals. Especially if you talk about the cloth what we used to wear, food what we used to eat, LPG gas, petrol, diesel, CNG, natural gas. In all these substances, what is the most common things, elements are present in all? That is a carbon. So it means this synthetic clothes, soap, detergent, shampoo, LPG gas, CNG gas, natural gas, petrol, diesel, all these are made up of carbon. So it means really carbon plays a vital role in our life. Not only these things are made up of carbon, our body in itself regulated and defended by organic molecules. Our body is itself regulated and defended by organic molecules, like a protein, carbohydrate, lipids. This genetic information, so-called deoxyribonucleic nucleic acid, DNA. In all these compounds, all these organic molecules are one of the essential constituent is a carbon. So really carbon is a unique element. And the number of compounds of a carbon are more than of all the elements put together. It is one of the reason we call it as a carbon is a versatile element. It means it has a tendency to form a large number of compounds. It combines with the another carbon or with other elements and forms a large number of the compound. It is one of the reasons that we call it as a carbon is a unique or carbon is an amazing or versatile element. So now the occurrence of carbon in the earth crust is all about 0.02%. This is found in the earth crust in the combined state in the form of carbonate, bicarbonate. And in the atmosphere, its percentage, its abundance is 0.03% in the form of carbon dioxide. And this element combines with a number of elements and forms innumerable compound like carbonate, sulfate, sulfide, nitrate, nitride, and many more. Now, as I said, we use a number of things in our day-to-day life, and we obtain the substances what we made use in our day-to-day life. The sources of occurrence is either from the plants and animals or from the rocks and minerals. Now, the substances which we obtain from plants and living things from plants and animals is called organic compound. So compounds which obtained from living things, that is from either from the plants and animals like oil, fat, sugar, all these substances we obtain from either from the plants or animals. So these substances what we obtain from living things, that is called organic compound. And these organic compound, one of the essential constituent of an element is a carbon. So it means, can we define what is an organic compound? A compound of carbon associated with some other element is called organic compound. So scientists trying to prepare this important compound, organic compound in the laboratory. But their efforts becomes useless and could not prepare in the laboratory. It was the Berzelius. He also made a lot of effort to prepare the organic compound, And since he becomes unsuccessful, and this unsuccessful lead them to believe that the organic compound could not be prepared in the laboratory. And what he said about it, why organic compound could not be prepared in the laboratory? According to Berzelius, he said some mysterious force is present within the plants and animals, and these mysterious forces cannot be added in the laboratory, cannot be found in the laboratory. That's why organic compound cannot be prepared in the laboratory. And this mysterious force was this mysterious force is referred as, is called as a vital force, and this theory was called as a vital force theory. So what is a vital force theory? No organic compound can be prepared in the laboratory. It is called vital force theory. No organic compound can be prepared no organic compound can be prepared in the laboratory. This is called vital force theory. But one day Friedrich Euler, he was trying to prepare ammonium cyanide, which is of inorganic nature, by heating ammonium sulfate plus potassium cyanide. He was trying to prepare ammonium cyanide with the help of ammonium sulfate and potassium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide rearrange and it forms NH2CONH2. It is called urea. This compound is of organic in nature. This is found in the urine of mammals. This compound is found in the urine of mammals. So later on, many more organic compounds could be prepared in the laboratory. So the vital force theory got a great shock and had been totally discarded. The vital force theory was totally discarded because after that many more compounds like a Colway prepared acetic acid, Berthollet prepared methane, and so many. After that never chemist looked back. At present, more than 5 millions of organic compounds are present. That compounds which are prepared in the laboratory are more than that the compound which are obtained, which are extracted from the natural source. So this is the origin of the organic compound. So students, please watch the video, and if you have any doubt, then let me know honestly. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.